Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for mango.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Adnan City, I provide promo codes for so many other companies. Like recently I uploaded a new video on level 9 Kite, Krispy Kreme, Knix, Keytron, Kachava, JGL, and so much other companies like DoorDash, iHope, iHerb, Hotwire, and so much other companies like hotels.com and so much other. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so many other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So let's get start. So the code number 1 I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you up to 70% off final reduction. So the code number 1 is CJU CJUI then O P E. Yeah, this is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get up to 70% off final reduction. So this is the only available valid code right now. So redeem this code and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.